An iFrame can be used to display a web page within a web page. Here we are displaying the Cardiff Castle page within the main History of Cardiff page. The iFrame tag must include a source attribute, src, that specifies the URL of the web page to be embedded. The height and width of the page can be set using the height and width attributes. So let's increase the size of this iFrame to show more of the content. We'll set the height to 800 pixels and the width to 1000 pixels. The title of the iFrame should also be set for accessibility reasons. iFrames are useful because they can be changed programmatically using JavaScript, which is not covered in this course and will not be in the MTA exam. They are also frequently used to embed content, such as YouTube videos and maps. Let's embed a Google map that shows the location of Cardiff. First, we'll look for an option in Google Maps that allows us to embed the map. Share or embed map. And when we go to embed, there's some code that we can copy into our web page. And note that the code begins with iFrame. So if we copy that code and paste it in to our page,